Welcome to the Crochet Crowd, as well as my friends over at Yarnspirations.com. Earlier this year, Spinrite Yarns acquired Coats & Clark. You know one of their brands as Red Heart Yarns. For my lifetime of crochet, I've enjoyed both Bernat and Red Heart as my go-to brands. As a child crocheter, both were affordable and brands that I've grown up with and that I trust. In 2013, Spinrite consolidated all of the brands into one website that we know today as Yarnspirations.com. This saved consumers from jumping between 4 websites and social media properties. Research shows that crocheters and knitters like finding their inspiration in just a few websites instead of feverishly jumping around the internet. Bernat, Caron, Lily Sugar and Cream, and Peyton's now could all be just in one website. In 2015, my company, The Crochet Crowd, joined Yarnspirations as a sponsored educator for their website and social platforms. With being sponsored, we have the ability to play with any of the brands they offered to inspire yarn lovers. It's been a true privilege and to be trusted for this role. I remain independent, but linked together as an educational partner. Red Heart Yarns is now part of the Spinrite family of yarns. Red Heart is a trusted brand and is a well-known brand of many yarns that fall under their label. For many of us, Red Heart has been with us for most of our lives. This acquisition allows Red Heart to continue into the future with the thousands of patterns that they have collected. I bet you're wondering, what does this really mean for you? Over the last several months, the Spinrite digital team has been busy adding Red Heart patterns and yarns to Yarnspirations.com behind the scenes. Until now, you've not been able to access that part of the website. The thousands of free patterns found on redheart.com are being updated to Yarnspirations.com presentation format to look consistent with the styling of Bernat, Caron, Peyton's, and Lily Sugar and Cream patterns. The look of Yarnspirations hasn't changed much, but the offerings inside the website have now more than doubled. With new and improved searching capabilities, you'll see a lot more results now that include Red Heart branded patterns. Redheart.com will now be directed to Yarnspirations.com, but don't fret, you can still find your favorite products and patterns on Yarnspirations.com going forward. Online ordering of Red Heart brands will continue onward, and now you can combine other brands with your online purchases too. For online educators, we will continue onward. For the Crochet Crowd, we can now extend our education to include Red Heart products, and the hosts that have been on Red Heart's team can now extend their teachings to include Bernat, Caron, Lily Sugar and Cream, and Peyton's. Essentially, we've come together for the purpose of expanding your crochet and knitting skills. Most of the existing pages on redheart.com will automatically forward to the landing pages of Yarnspirations.com. Over the next several months, more and more Red Heart patterns will appear. When all is said and done, you will be able to find more than 7,000 free patterns to enjoy. With Red Heart joining Yarnspirations with continuing offerings of yarn products, with educators of both companies coming together in the same educational platform, and with online free patterns and all 5 major brands of yarn sharing the same platform, we are now celebrating better together. On behalf of the Crochet Crowd and my friends at Yarnspirations.com, we welcome fall 2019 with enthusiasm, and I cannot wait to surf through the new Yarnspirations.com to discover patterns that I've never seen and maybe I have forgotten about. Until next time, have a good one, and we hope to see you again really soon, and please check out our friends, Yarnspirations.com. We'll see you.